Hello dolls, so today's video is going to be finally a tour of my apartment for Valentine's Day. I cannot wait to show you. Mainly it's the kitchen. I cannot wait to show you, probably seeing it already, a sneak peek. So you know what to do. On this channel, before we do any video, we make ourselves comfortable. We get a blanket, we cuddle, like we get all comfortable. So I got my love heart cup from Target ready for this video. It's just appropriate, right? So grab your coffee, grab your tea, dolls, and let's do this tour of my apartment for Valentine's Day. Let's go, dolls.
That is my dream. Life is gonna be. It's what you make it. Always try to give.
So dolls, I'm going to be showing you my kitchen and parts of my living room and kitchen, both of them in this video. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Dolls, here is my complete kitchen for Valentine's Day. Yes, I went all out just like I did for Christmas. I am going to give you a full tour of my kitchen. Now, the coffee bar is not done, like as in I've not filled the jars. I've not completed decorating in the coffee bar section. So you're going to just have to bear with me. Probably, I don't know which video is going to come out first. I don't know if the coffee bar video will come out first or the full tour. I don't know, but just subscribe to my channel if you want to see that. Let's start with what's in front of us. So similar to Christmas, I noticed a lot of you loved this. A lot of you on TikTok, YouTube, everywhere, Instagram, Facebook, you loved when I did the garland for Christmas. So I decided to do one for Valentine's Day, and I wanted it to look very romantic, girly, coquette, just so much like romance. And I felt like roses would be good, so I made this myself. This garland is actually the garland that I had during Christmas, and all I did was I just took it down, took all the Christmas stuff off and made it like Valentine's Day-ish. So I added roses on there because Valentine's Day is all about roses and receiving roses, so I felt that would be the perfect thing in here. And bows, because we want it very romantic, girly, feminine. And then I added these love hearts in here, and I added pearls. So I'm gonna like kind of get down so you can see. Look at those pearls. I did that all by myself, just like how I had for Christmas, but bigger pearls, because I wanted it to, again, to be very romantic, feminine, girl. It just gives me a whole Parisian cafe. I don't know how to describe it, but it just gives me so much romance, and I love it. I just love it. So moving on to over here, I am obsessed, just like Christmas. I always have something in the center here, and I am obsessed with this. So as most of you know, I DIY'd this tray. This tray here is from Dollar Tree, and all I did was I spray painted it in a nicer shade of pink that matches my kitchen, and I also spray painted the middle part gold. So that's something I DIY'd, and I also added the bow that you see. I added a bow on top of there. So all of that is DIY'd. You can't find this tray like this in the store. I did everything to make it look the way it looks like. So we have everything sitting on top of these books here, my year in cake, my cookbook, Vietnamese cookbook, and they're all in pink, obviously. I just felt it gives it some type of like, I don't know, texture, volume. I love this, you know, the viral love heart jars from Dollar Tree. I just put pink starburst inside it. And then I also got this here from Dollar Tree as well. It just says love. It's just like a little sign that says love. And then up here, we have the Dollar Tree viral teddy bear jars, and I put some like multicolored love hearts inside, candy. We have this candle here that is a love heart candle, ribbed love heart candle, and I love it because it's ribbed. It kind of matches this one down here, the ribbed love heart jar. And this is from Target. Trust me, I've been waiting a year to find this candle. It just looks so nice on here. So yeah, that's all that is on top of here. It's just so pretty. Like when you walk into my kitchen, this is the view you get, and it's just so pretty. I love it. It's just really nice decor. So behind all of this, we have the main part of the kitchen, and I just love it. Let's start down here. So down here we have these soft hand towels. They are so pretty. It is from, where is this from? Amazon. And I'll have everything from Amazon linked down below. Then we have this, I DIY'd this. This is from Dollar Tree. It comes with 6 of these, and I just took off 3 of them, and I just added a bow. So I DIY'd this, and I just love it on top of my stove, and it says Sweet Valentine. It's got donuts. I just thought it's perfect for the kitchen as little decoration above the oven, and that is that. So above the stove, nothing going on special there, just my pink pots. In this corner we have so much going on actually. We have the candy, and I love these jars. Again, it's the same jars, the viral jars, and I just fill them with candy. So this is a little spot that people can get candy from when they come in my kitchen, and I just love it. It's almost like the bears are protecting it's like the bears are protecting the love heart jar. I don't know, it just looks so cute like this. So I have them here in the corner. I was going to put them in that corner there, but I'm just going to leave them here. This corner looks naked. Something should go there. And then on this side, we have this, which these actually will probably look good in the corner, but no one's going to really see them. But oh, dolls, that looks really nice in that corner. That looks gorgeous there. We might leave it here for the video. That looks absolutely stunning in the corner. Like, look at that. When I step back, oh my God. Look, when I step back, that is just such a stunning view with the flowers in the corner. I love it that way. So anyway, we're going to leave that there for now. So yeah, over here, just have a love heart candle. Nothing special in here. I was going to add something here, but I felt, no, let's just leave it very clean because everything else is going on top. And that is what I'm going to talk about now. I love these. So I made these. These are all like my creation. So up here, I got these from Dollar Tree. They come in like a chain of 3 of them, and I just took them apart and added them in the middle. And then these bows I did myself. I got the ribbon from Amazon. This is also from Amazon. I'll have all the links down below for everything I use in my kitchen. I just love it. Look how gorgeous it is. These took me so long to do compared to doing the Christmas ones. I also wanted to have bows incorporated in my on top of here some way, but I didn't want it to look exactly like the Christmas one. So tiny bows was like the best, like velvet bows was the best decision. And from far you can still see them, and I just love them. So coquette. It's just so like pretty to me. I love them so much. And up here we have the big wreath. So this one up here, this big love heart, the main wreath is actually from Dollar Tree in their $5 section. And I just love them, very simple, and it just makes my kitchen look really pretty. And it goes so well with the bows. And I wanted red, so you're probably wondering, why do you have red when your whole aesthetic is pink? I just needed a pop of colour other than pink in here. And I felt Valentine's Day is the best time to just add more colour other than pink, like red. And they look so good together. So now moving down here. So I'm not done decorating my coffee bar. By the time you're watching this video, I don't know which video is going to go up first, which I think this one will go up first. That's going to be a whole nother video, but I've kind of like placed everything where I want them to be. So I have my love heart spoons, and then I have these, which the coffee and all of that, and the sugar is going to be sitting inside those. So I have those jars for that reason. And then I have the so I changed these, so rose, because you know, like rose will be a good syrup to have for Valentine's Day, and cream caramel and hazelnut. So that's the ones that I have for Valentine's Day, the syrups. And over here I got this from Target. You Are My Cup of Tea. It's just so perfect in the coffee bar. I'm gonna move that book. So that book's not going to be there. So that's what's going to change in here. And you'll see very soon when I do the coffee bar tour. That's a whole video on its own. So stay tuned. I didn't want to make this video all about the coffee bar. So that's another video. Stay tuned for that one. So yeah, that is my kitchen, dolls. I am obsessed. Everything just feels so pretty in here. I love this view. It just feels so pretty. Like, I'm going to keep saying that. The roses. Look how the roses look in the corner, dolls. It's just so pretty. I'm obsessed. There's going to be a lot of content coming out of here, like Valentine's Day cooking. Dolls, so much is going to be going on in here. I love when I get my apartment decorated for a specific season. And I'm obsessed. Look at it, dolls. Look what I'm going to be making in my kitchen. They have these at Walmart, if you're wondering. And I'm going to be making love heart pasta. So stay tuned. I'm going to have a lot of like Valentine's Day special vlogs coming up. So you want to stay tuned to see what I make and what I do in this kitchen. I am obsessed with this. Like, I can't wait. You're going to see. I'm going to be very extra in the next few days. So that is my kitchen, dolls. It is so cute for Valentine's Day. I love doing this. It's so fun, and I wish you dolls have fun decorating your home for like Valentine's Day. It just makes life so fun, and I love it. I love how my kitchen came out. It's just so pretty, and it's still functional. Like, I can still cook in here. Like, there's a lot going on, but I can still do what I want to do in here. And I love that fact about my kitchen, is that it's so fun. It makes cooking so fun. So that is the kitchen, and I'm just like, oh, love it, dolls. That is the kitchen tour. It was just, I'm obsessed. So now you see my kitchen. This is my living room, and it's just the same type of vibe as my kitchen. Very lovey, romantic, pink, and I just love it. I'm going to give you like a quick tour of the living room. So my coffee table, I decided to keep my Christmas tree from Hobby Lobby. So I used this in my kitchen for Christmas, and all I did was I added these red balls, these red baubles, love heart baubles that I got from, what's it called, Dollar Tree. These were from Dollar Tree. So all of this, and they come like with a matte, like they come with glitter, they come with like a shiny texture, and they come with a matte texture. And then I added these that you saw on the garland. This is from Amazon. I added them in there just to like fill out the tree. So it's just a cute tabletop tree, and I absolutely adore it. It just had to be here. And then over here, so over here we have my YSL. I hate saying the actual whole name because I feel like I'm saying it wrong. We have my YSL book, and then we have these. Oh, love all these candles. I love the top of this one. This is from Ross. They had it last year. I don't know if they have it this year still. This is from Target, their dollar spot, and it was $3. And then this one is also from Target. This was $10, and I absolutely love all three of them. They just give me love vibes. I'm obsessed with it. Like, look at that view. Like, I love it. Like, what more can I say? So that's that. Now behind me, sorry, in front of me, not behind me, we have the pillows. So these pillows here from Target. This one is from Target. I love it. Just XO with a love heart shape. I think that's so pretty. These two are from Amazon. They say love you more, and then love. I just love them there. Like, I feel like I'm saying love so many times. And then this one here is from Target. It's like a mini pillow, and it's just, I needed a pop of red on here. So that is the pillows that I have, and that is actually my whole living room. Like, that's all I wanted to add in here. Last year I did a big tree. This year I don't want to, because I just felt it would be too much cleanup, and I'm not ready for that. So that is my apartment for Valentine's Day. I have not decorated the dining table. I don't know what I'm going to do there yet, but that is probably going to be very simple, and that's why it wasn't included in this video. But that is the kitchen and living room for Valentine's Day. I hope you dolls love this video. I love filming it. I love decorating. It's been so fun, and I can finally show you, so we can start filming like lovey content, Valentine's Day content in here. So here it is. So dolls, we have come to the end of this video. On every video, I do a secret emoji and we comment that in the comment section down below. It basically lets me know who has been watching my video to the end of the video, who pays attention. I love to know. So today's secret emoji is going to be, because it's Valentine's Day and it's all girly and there's bows, we're going to do a love heart. We're going to do 3. We're going to do a love heart, we're going to do a rose, and we're going to do a bow. So comment those 3 in the comment section down below. It helps me know who has been watching to the end of the video. So thank you so much for watching this video, dolls. I love you with all my heart. I'm going to have a, I guess, decorate with me my coffee bar video coming next, so stay tuned. It's going to look totally different from what you saw in this video. I can't wait. Thank you so much for watching, dolls. If you're new to my channel, as usual, and you like what you see here, subscribe down below. Dolls, also give this video a big fat thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I enjoy spending time with you, dolls. Thank you so much for watching, dolls. I am just like loving love. So give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you. Also, comment and let me know what state you're watching this video. I love to know where you dolls come from, what country you're watching this video in. Comment that in the comment section. What you're eating as you're watching this video. Comment all of that in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for thank you so, what was I saying? Thank you so much for watching this video, dolls. Smooches, I love you, dolls, so much. Stay tuned on my channel. A lot more fun content is coming next week. I love you, dolls, so much. Smooches. Bye, dolls. Bye.